Alright everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how you can simply change your PlayStation account's password. This video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So first of all, go to any browser you want and simply search for PSN account like I'm doing right here. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on the first link, which is going to be the official website for PlayStation. And once you have done that, on the top right there is going to be normally a sign in button where you want to go ahead and sign in into your account. And once you have done that, you want to click on this little smiley default emoji or icon right over here. Once you have done that, this pop-up window will come out, and then you want to go ahead and click on account settings. Finally, once you have done that and the page will be loaded, you want to go ahead and click on security. Once you have clicked on security, this pop-up will come here which will say you will go to another page. Click on continue. And finally, once you have done that, there is going to be a password tab where you want to click on edit. And once you have done that, go ahead and enter your current password, and go ahead and enter your new password and re-enter your new password. And finally, once you have done that, click on save, and your password will be successfully changed. So if you thought this video was valuable, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. See you next time.